Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine with your family and relatives. Today, I will discuss about Unit 9, Lesson 4 and 6 from your English for Today book. You all are welcome to my class. I am Tarana Akhtar, Assistant Teacher, Pallavi Majidul Islam Model High School. Dear students, what can you see in the picture? You see there is a fire accident here. Can you tell me who put out fire when there is a fire accident? Yes, you have guessed, a firefighter. Our today's topic's name are Firefighter Unit 9 Lesson 1-2. Learning outcomes. After this lesson, students will be able to read the passage with correct pronunciation, to know about the work of firefighters, to know new words with meaning and make sentences, to write a paragraph. Let us know some information about a firefighter. A man who puts out fire and prevents fire is a firefighter. He has a very strong physique and he is very brave and careful. His main job is putting out fires. He also visits schools and other institutions. He trains people about their duties when there is a fire in a building or a house. He works under the fire department. Dear students, now I will tell you the word meaning of some words from this text. With examples. Afraid. The word afraid means having or showing fear. She is afraid of snake. Volunteer means a person who serves without pay. A volunteer does not want money for his work. Panic. Sudden feeling of fear or nervousness. The man got panicked seeing an accident. Earn. To get money by working. She earns money by selling clothes. Safety. The stage of being safe. Raju teaches new firefighters about safety. Department. One of the section of an organization. My father works in fire department. Students, let us read the text carefully. A long time ago, when Raju was in class 5, there was a fire in his school. Everyone was very afraid, but no one panicked. The teachers helped the students to leave the building quietly and safely. Soon the firefighters came and put out the fire. Raju was the firefighters from the school year. He thought about the fire and the firefighters for a long time. After college, Raju joined a volunteer fire department. As a volunteer, he didn't get money for his work, but Raju didn't mind. Now Raju is a full-time firefighter. It is his job, so he earns money for it. Most of the time, his work is putting out fires, but he also teaches new firefighters about safety. He likes teaching very much. In his free time, Raju visits schools. He talks to students about fire safety. He tells them what to do if there is a fire. They shouldn't get panicked. They should listen to their teachers and leave the buildings quietly. This passage is about a firefighter whose name is Raju. Through his profession, we have learned a lot of this profession. Now, dear students, I will give some activities from this text. You will do it. You will try to do it. First one, matching. Match the words in column A with their meanings in column B. You see there are some words in a column and the meanings are given in column B. You have to match the words with their meanings. I hope you have tried. Now you see the answer. 1 number, A plus 3, 2 B plus 4, 3 C plus 5, 4 D plus 1, 5 B plus 2. Students, remember you have to write the full answer of this question. You have to write the first answer. Afraid, then you have to give a hyphen, then you have to write the meaning. Now fill in the gaps. Fill in the gaps with the correct word from the box. There are 3 extra words which you need not to use. You see the clues given in the box, then you have to fill the blanks using these clues. A number. After finishing dash, Raju joined a volunteer fire department. B, to dash out fire is Raju's main job. C, he trains young people to dash firefighters. D, when dash Raju join a volunteer fire department. There will be a question here. It is not seen, but there is a question here. E, the color of fire is dash. Okay. Now you see the answer of these. Fill in the blanks. Answers. A, S, H, C, B, put, C, become, D, did, E, read. Now write true or false for the statements. You see the questions. A, an accident took place in the school when Raju read in class 5. B, everyone got panicked. C, Raju saw the firefighters from the road. D, his main work is to teach people about safety. E, if there is a fire, we shouldn't get afraid. Dear students, when you will write the answer of true false, you have to write only true or false for the statements. You need not to write the correct answer for the false statements. Now you see the answer. A, true. B, false. C, false. D, false. E, true. Now I have given you some questions. You see the question first. You have to read the text very carefully when you will answer this type of questions. A, what happened when Raju was in class 5? B, what does he like to do in his free time? C, what is the main duty of a firefighter? D, why does he train young people? E, write 2 qualities of a firefighter. Dear students, you see the answers. You will try to write following my answers. Answer number A, when Raju was in class 5, there was a fire in his school. Answer number B, in his free time he likes to visit schools. C, the mandate of a firefighter is to put out and to prevent fire. D, he trains young people to become fighters. E, you see the answer number E very attentively. 2 qualities of a firefighter are, I have given a hyphen here. You will also have to give hyphen if the question is like this. 2 qualities of a firefighter are the fitness of the body and bravery. Now rearrange. I don't know what has happened. I have written in a right way, but here is not showing. Okay, no problem. I am telling you. A, full-time firefighter is Raju. A. B, teaching much Raju very likes. C, students fire talks safety Raju about too. D, watched from school year Raju firefighters. D. E, volunteer department Raju fire are joined. Here the words are not in a proper order. You have to reorder to make meaningful sentence. You see the answers. Answer A, Raju is a full-time firefighter. B, Raju likes teaching very much. C, Raju talks to students about fire safety. D, Raju was the firefighters from the school year. E, Raju joined a volunteer fire department. Dear students, you will practice this in your home. Okay, without seeing the answer. Now this is the time to take your homework. Your homework is to write a short composition on a fire you have witnessed. It means you have to describe a fire accident which you have seen. Okay, you have to be careful using punctuation, spelling, and capital letter. So my dear students, that's all about today's class. I hope you will follow my classes regularly. Not only my classes, you will follow all classes regularly if you want to get benefit from the classes. A big thank you to all for watching me. Allah Hafiz.